Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. Just want to start off on the weekly because it's fairly interesting what's happening here. So we've had this pullback from the previous move up, which was last year. It started off last year, and then we've pulled back a little bit. And if you look at what happened, we've come back to test the 155 EMA break, and we've done it with almost a tweezer bottom, but nothing really concrete yet. We'd need to start getting up above the moving averages before we get too excited about a move to the upside. For me at the moment, if you look at this on the 8 hour, we're coming up into an area of very, very strong resistance. So I'm going to do that level, and I'm going to do that level, and then definitely putting that level in on the chart. Look at the oscillator starting to group the upside. So if there is going to be a rejection, I would expect it to be somewhere in this zone. However, if you look at last week, buyers, and then the start of this week, buyers. So I would assume, let's just put these two 8 hours in as well. So you can see I'm just picking up these tails here. And let's get down to structure. So that to me is a range break. We've broken out the range of last week. We're testing the 155 at the moment. We've got a moving average that's about to cross over. So this is the first setup I'd be looking at, 32.367 and 32.322. Look for a pullback onto that. I'm looking for price action to give me inside bars, engulfing bars, pin bars, sorry, on this area, and that would give me an opportunity to buy. And what I'd be looking for is to take profit on each of these levels to the upside, and we'll get to that now. So looking at the 1 hour, you can see this week has started off with a bang, big down, big up, and then we held the up. So and we've got to cross over the moving averages here. A bit of divergence that's forming at the moment. But again, we did have a fairly strong range that formed. Let's put the bottom of the range in. So you can see how we ranged all week, last week, and now we have sort of got above it. Now, if you drop to the 15 minutes, you're going to see yesterday was a fairly strong uptrend. We did come back onto structure here at 32.367, and we pulled away, so that could be in play again, which would just form a big range at the top, or alternatively we're going to find some support here at 32.476 and 32.506. What you're looking for to the upside is 32.664, and then you're looking at 32.846. I'd be really cautious with this because I have a feeling you're going to bump your head up here and you're going to see price pullback. But you can see there's fairly strong support here that we are, technically we've broken through. So that was resistance, and that is now, we need to see if it's going to be flipped into support. This zone between 32.322 and 32.500 is what we need to pay attention to. And I think, just getting back to the weekly here, if this weekly bar closes up like it is, then you can argue that this was just a pullback, and then we should be expecting a measured move equal to this late rally last year. But this could also be a break and a retest of this area, and if that gets rejected, you can expect a move to the downside, and then your first target is going to be in this area here, which would be 36.23. But for now, I think 15-minute trend is up. So today, what you're looking for is a move to the upside. If we start dropping below the lows of yesterday, that's going to set up your shorts. But for now, trend is up. Go with the trend, but just be very cautious and pay attention to these overhead levels because they are really strong areas of resistance. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.